Please let me show you how you can make profitable investments while the market is flat or even declining in value. By making regular investments over time, you can actually take advantage of a volatile or declining market and turn it to your favor. Let's look at two examples together. First, the S&P 500 had a 0% return from October 2007 until March 2012. The chart looked like this. It was a really challenging 4 years around the global financial crisis. However, if you made a $1,000 investment into the same S&P 500 index on the first of every month during those 4.5 years of 0% return, your investments had an annual return of 11.56%. A $53,000 investment during that time turned into almost $68,000. By continuing to add shares at the lower prices that we saw in 2008 and 2009, you wound up with a much better return as the market eventually reached even again. Let's look at an even more recent example, this time of a declining market instead. The S&P 500 was down 9% from January 1st, 2022 until June 1st, 2023, and looked like this. Once again, investors who consistently made the same investment on the first of every month during this market downturn came out ahead. This time, they had a 12.2% annualized return and turned $17,000 into $18,380. Consistently adding to your investments during flat or down markets can allow you to take advantage of the market volatility and earn a much higher rate of return during challenging times in the market. This is why it is so important to commit to saving into your retirement and investment accounts on a regular basis. Start with what is comfortable and then try to increase it over time. Most importantly, stick with it, especially when the market is volatile or declining. This only means that you're going to get better prices and consequently better results in the long term. Thank you, and I look forward to talking with you again soon.